Serendipitous intelligence is a hidden power. It operates beyond ordinary logic and plans. It is the intelligence of miracles and flow. It brings sudden breakthrough into daily life. It is higher awareness within every person. It is discovered through openness and thought. It arises when the mind becomes silent. It connects you to infinite possibilities. When you tune into this intelligence, you attract wealth without chasing it. You discover solutions without searching. Right people appear at right time. Right opportunities open with ease. Serendipitous intelligence is miracle source. It is guidance from universal mind. It is wisdom beyond calculations. It comes through intuition and flow. It is power of effortless creation. Now it is the time to know what is it. Ordinary thinking depends on reasoning. But serendipitous intelligence is different. It bypasses fear and limitation. It sees beyond time and space. It reveals hidden pathways of success. It brings what is impossible. It is the origin of higher self. It opens when you trust inner wisdom. Many great discoveries happened unexpected, but these are not random events. They are expressions of hidden intelligence. They appear to the prepared and open mind. They are signs of greater awareness. This intelligence is miracle energy. It can change your destiny completely. It can solve problems instantly. It can transform every area of life. You can call it higher guidance. You can call it universal wisdom. Whatever the name, it is real. It brings results beyond effort. It is source of synchronicity. It is wisdom guiding every step. It is power behind coincidences. To awaken it, you must be still. To receive it, you must be open. To use it, you must take action. To keep it, you must trust deeply. To live it, you must stay aligned. Now let us know how it works. Events rearrange to support your path. Resources appear exactly when required. Solutions come from unexpected places. Will arrive to offer what you need. Coincidences multiply every single day. Thoughts manifest into reality quickly. Problems dissolve with surprising ease. You think of money and it flows. You think of health and solutions come. You think of growth and it happens. This is not fantasy or imagination. It is energy aligning with your thoughts. It is flow of universal wisdom. Health is restored through guidance. Right remedy comes into your awareness. Recovery happens with surprising speed. Relationships heal through this energy. Old conflicts begin to dissolve. Harmony enters conversations naturally. Two people of support come in. Love flows without force. Success also comes effortlessly. Creative ideas rise. Recognition comes without struggle. This intelligence is always present. You only need to awaken to it. You only need to trust its flow. You only need to stay receptive. You only need to act with faith. Now know how to align with serendipitous intelligence. Quiet the restless mind each day. Practice meditation. Use sacred sounds to awaken higher mind. Allow peace to invite higher wisdom. Repetition of mantras changes frequency. Simple affirmations lift inner vibration. Visualizations awaken higher brain. Inner focus creates receptivity. Gratitude is a powerful activator. Thank universe for every gift. Appreciation multiplies opportunities. Joy attracts more joy each day. Abundance grows through thankfulness. Do not cling to result desperately. Release doubts and expectations. Trust that timing is perfect. Believe the best outcome will come. Practice compassion every single day. Helping others expands your energy. Giving multiplies receiving naturally. Support brings support in return. Quickly when guidance comes, miracles follow decisive faith. Morning light awakens higher mind. Connect with golden rays of dawn. Visualize your brain filled with light. See miracles forming in your thoughts. Morning brings answers and direction. It begins aligned with universal flow. Consistency brings strong alignment. Daily practice expands miracle channel. Repetition changes your inner state. Faith strengthens intuitive clarity. Openness keeps flow alive. Confidence in flow become unshakable. This is awakening of inner genius. This is discovery of hidden mind. This is intelligence of future humanity. This is miracle within you. Alignment brings abundance of wealth. Now let us know about the benefits and new era. Wealth appears without heavy effort. Money flows through new opportunities. Prosperity increases with natural ease. Resources come when truly needed. There is abundance naturally. Health improves with inner balance. Body restores energy and strength. Solutions appear from higher awareness. Healing practices find you easily. Vitality shines from within. Relationships grow in harmony. Trust deepens among people. Supportive circles surround you. Career grows without stress. Opportunities expand with flow. Recognition comes without struggle. Creative ideas manifest quickly. Success feels effortless and natural. Every step feels aligned and right. Every decision flows from intuition. Every path opens smoothly ahead. Every moment carries hidden blessings. This is entry into new era. This is movement into abundant flow. This is awakening of humanity. This is intelligence of new age. Struggle is being replaced with ease. Fear is being replaced with faith. Conflict is being replaced with harmony. Serendipitous intelligence is key to future. It unlocks human potential fully. It restores miracle lifestyle to all. It connects people to universal wisdom. It creates world of flow and grace. Imagine humanity guided by this power. Imagine life free of resistance. Imagine wealth shared with ease. Imagine health for every person. Imagine peace on entire planet. This is vision of higher intelligence. This is path for coming generations. This is design of universal mind. Serendipitous intelligence is not distant. It is inside you. It waits for you to awaken it. It waits for your openness and faith. It waits for your trust in flow. Practice silence and gratitude. Follow synchronicities with courage. Trust guidance of universal mind. Experience miracle lifestyle fully. Conclusion. Serendipitous intelligence is miracle force. It flows when mind is open and still. It aligns you with wealth and health. It brings harmony and success naturally. This intelligence belongs to everyone. It is hidden treasure of human life. It awakens when you live in trust, transforms daily life into miracles. It is wisdom beyond calculations. It is key to new era of wisdom. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.